Hey everyone, it's Melissa. Let's talk about something we all deal with but maybe don't love to discuss: those stubborn yellow stains in the toilet bowl. It's a common problem in many homes, so don't feel bad if you're seeing them. It doesn't mean your bathroom is dirty. These stains can appear even when you clean regularly. They are often caused by things you can't even see, like minerals in your water. So before you reach for a bottle of harsh chemicals, let's explore a better way. A way that is safer for your family, better for the environment, and just as effective. Natural cleaning is the answer, and I'm here to show you how simple it can be. So, what's really causing those yellow marks? The main culprit is usually hard water. Hard water is full of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. When the water in your toilet bowl evaporates, it leaves these minerals behind. Over time, they build up and create a yellowish, rusty-looking scale. This is often called lime scale. Another cause can be urine, which contains a compound called urochrome that gives it its yellow color. When left to sit, it can also contribute to staining. Understanding the cause helps us choose the right tools to fight the stains without resorting to harsh chemicals that can be harsh on your plumbing and your lungs. Let's talk about the amazing benefits of going natural with your toilet cleaning. First and foremost, it's so much safer for your home. If you have kids or pets, you know how important it is to reduce their exposure to harsh chemicals. Natural ingredients like vinegar and baking soda are non-toxic, so you don't have to worry about dangerous fumes or accidental contact. It's also incredibly budget-friendly. A big box of baking soda and a jug of vinegar cost a fraction of what specialized toilet cleaners do. You're using simple items you probably already have in your kitchen, which simplifies your cleaning cabinet and saves you money. Finally, choosing natural methods is a wonderful way to be kind to our planet. The chemicals in traditional cleaners get flushed down the drain and end up in our waterways, which can harm aquatic life and ecosystems. Natural cleaners, on the other hand, are biodegradable and environmentally friendly. Plus, you'll be making your own cleaning solutions, which means less plastic bottle waste. So you get a sparkling clean toilet, a healthier home, and a happier Earth. It's a win-win-win situation. Let's get started on making your toilet shine, the natural way. Before we dive into the cleaning methods, let's gather our simple, natural toolkit. You won't need any fancy equipment or hard-to-find ingredients for this. Everything on this list is likely already sitting in your kitchen pantry or laundry room, making this process super convenient and easy to start right away. The goal is to keep it simple, effective, and accessible for everyone. Having these items ready will make the cleaning process smooth and quick. So, let's take a look at the few things you'll need to get that toilet bowl looking brand new again, without any of the chemical nastiness. Here's your straightforward list of materials. For our cleaning agents, you will want to grab some baking soda, which is a fantastic gentle abrasive and deodorizer. You will also need some white vinegar. Its acidic nature is perfect for breaking down those tough mineral deposits. For an extra boost of cleaning and whitening power, you can also have some borax or a fresh lemon on hand. These are all natural powerhouses that work wonders on stains. Each one has its own special way of lifting stains and leaving things fresh, and we'll talk about how to use them together for maximum effect. Next, let's look at the tools you will need for the job. The most important tool is a good, sturdy toilet brush. You'll use this for scrubbing away the loosened stains, so make sure it has strong bristles. You will also want to have a pair of rubber gloves to protect your hands, even though we are using natural ingredients. A simple measuring cup will also be very helpful for getting the right amounts of vinegar and baking soda for our cleaning concoctions. Lastly, having a few old rags or some paper towels nearby is always a good idea for any drips or spills. That's it. See how simple that is? With these few items, you are fully equipped to tackle any yellow stain that comes your way. There's no need for a cupboard full of different chemical sprays and gels, each with its own set of warnings and instructions. Your simple, natural toolkit is not only effective, but also versatile. You can use these same ingredients to clean many other areas of your home, from your kitchen sink to your shower head. This approach simplifies your entire cleaning routine, saving you time, money, and space. Now that you have everything you need, let's move on to the fun part, making those stains disappear for good. Our first method uses the classic duo baking soda and vinegar. This combination is amazing for breaking down mineral stains and deodorizing at the same time. Start by pouring about 1 cup of white vinegar into the toilet bowl. Swish it around with your toilet brush, making sure to coat the entire bowl, especially the stained areas and under the rim. Let the vinegar sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. the acidity in the vinegar will begin to dissolve the hard water minerals, doing most of the hard work for you. This waiting time is crucial, so be patient and let the vinegar work its magic. After the vinegar has had time to sit, it's time to add the baking soda. Sprinkle 1 cup of baking soda directly into the toilet bowl over the vinegar. You will immediately see a fun fizzing reaction. This is the chemical reaction between the acidic vinegar and the alkaline baking soda, which helps to lift and scrub away stains. Let this fizzy mixture sit for another 15 to 20 minutes. This gives the combination plenty of time to work deep into the stains. The gentle abrasive quality of the baking soda will help scrub away the grime without scratching your porcelain toilet bowl. Now it's time for a little bit of elbow grease. Grab your toilet brush and start scrubbing the entire bowl thoroughly. Pay extra attention to the yellow stains and the waterline, where buildup is usually the worst. The fizzing action and the waiting time should have loosened the stains significantly, making them much easier to scrub away. Scrub under the rim and down into the bottom of the bowl. You should see the stains lifting away as you scrub. This step is where you physically remove the grime that the natural ingredients have broken down for you. Once you are satisfied that you have scrubbed away the stains, simply flush the toilet. The water will wash away all the baking soda, vinegar, and grime, revealing a sparkling, clean, and fresh-smelling toilet bowl. For extra stubborn stains, you might need to repeat this process or try our next method. You can also make a paste with baking soda and a little water. Apply it directly to the stains, let it sit, and then scrub before flushing. This targeted approach can work wonders on very tough spots. Congratulations! You've just cleaned your toilet effectively and naturally. Now that your toilet is sparkling, let's talk about how to keep it that way. Prevention is always easier than a deep clean. A great tip is to give your toilet a quick swish with the toilet brush every day. This simple habit takes less than a minute but prevents minerals and grime from building up in the first place. Another fantastic trick is to pour a cup of white vinegar into the bowl once a week and let it sit overnight. Just flush it in the morning. This weekly vinegar treatment will continuously dissolve mineral deposits before they can turn into noticeable yellow stains. Here are answers to a few common questions you might have. How often should I do a deep clean? Using the baking soda and vinegar method, a deep clean once a month is usually enough to keep stains at bay, especially if you're doing weekly vinegar soaks. Is it safe to mix these ingredients? Yes, mixing vinegar and baking soda is perfectly safe. It creates a harmless, fizzy reaction. However, you should never mix vinegar with store-bought bleach, as it creates toxic chlorine gas. Sticking to natural ingredients keeps your cleaning routine simple and safe for everyone in your home. What if the stains are really, really stubborn and don't come out? If you've tried the baking soda and vinegar method a couple of times and some stains remain, you can bring in a slightly stronger natural cleaner, borax. Sprinkle half a cup of borax into the bowl, let it sit overnight, and then scrub and flush in the morning. Borax is a natural mineral that is excellent for whitening and tackling tough rust and mineral stains. This should take care of even the most persistent yellowing. Remember, consistency is your best friend when it comes to keeping your toilet pristine. Embracing these natural cleaning methods is about more than just a stain-free toilet. It's about creating a healthier, safer home environment for you and your loved ones. You can feel proud knowing that you are keeping your bathroom fresh and clean without relying on harsh chemicals. It's an empowering feeling to know you can achieve amazing results with simple, inexpensive, and eco-friendly ingredients. So keep up the great work, enjoy your sparkling clean toilet, and continue making choices that are good for your home and the planet. Happy cleaning!